Welcome back to Willie's channel. Here we are doing 2 challenges with these monster trucks. So the loser bin is that white bin, the winner bin is that small box. So these are the trucks. These we're going to use for the ending because I kind of already tested them and they were the winners. I also tested Zombie. I don't know. Oh, he's here. And so he was one of the winners too. But he kind of didn't do that good because he's a zombie. He's a zombie. So this is going to be our first challenge. We are going to see who's the best at these 4 challenges. So right here is the sky ramp. Where you go wee. And then up here is this mountain that you can go on top. If you get on here, you get 20 points. So this is a flip ramp. I already told you this is a sky ramp. And then back here, we have another flip ramp. It's just kind of sky ramp plus flip ramp. If you want to come over here, just see. Also, we got a tilted building right there. I don't know how it's holding on. Oh, and here's a tilted building. Here's kind of a tilted building. It just kind of fell down the cliff. And then right here, this is a hill ramp. If you want to see over here, that's a hill that they have to get on here to make 40 points. They have to get up to 40 points. Hi, James. Yeah, we're doing challenges. And then this one, you just get to race down, and then if you hit the sky ramp and stay on here, then you get a 60 points. That's the bonus points. So you have to get on here to 60 points. And then if you roll down, you don't get any points, and you stay at 40. So then, yeah, you still get 40. But that would still be half bonus. But if you just get 10, that's not even a bonus. That's like way at the start. You're like a toddler doing this challenge. All right.
Oh, these are the monsters that we're gonna sell.
No, these are going to be at the last part. So these, once all of these trucks go, then these are gonna test who's the best truck of these, and then that will be the champion. All right, let's start with Whiplash. Whiplash Fire. Let's do it with the sky ramp. Ooh, nice one. I saw him do a flip. You saw that. He was like, I think he did this. I think he did. Oh, I think I saw him do a wheelie down. I don't know. All right. Next, let's do the flip ramp. Ooh, that was a good one. Like, was trying to get up, but then this tire was still rolling, and then he just started with the front tire and he landed it. So that was pretty cool. Let's go for the half sky ramp, half flip ramp. Ooh, that's like a barrel roll. Ooh, he rammed up here. And he stayed on his wheels for the whole time. I thought he was gonna go down because I thought he was gonna trip because that's a steep hill. Let's move on to the hill challenge. All right. Oh, he's like, ramps it up, and then he turns over here, and he's like, no, 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 and then he rolls down. All right, let's pick the next truck. So this guy is a winner. That's a winner. Next, Ice Blue Thunder. Look at that. I love Blue Thunder.
Willie.
Thunder and he's blue.
Last was like.
This one's really good because it just goes straight up. Ooh, that was a cool one. He like did a flip, but down.
Wait.
All right, let's do it for real life. I was holding that. Oh, Sky Wheelie! That was so cool.
Willie. Last was like.
It's like, wee, Sky Wheelie. And then he lands it. I think he did a barrel roll. And then he goes back on his wheels. I don't know. Next, flip ramp. Oh, this guy loves wheelies, especially backwards, because he went like this. Whee, sat down, went back. That kind of was a flip. All right, next, half sky ramp, half flip ramp. Next, let's do this one, this part. Oh, he was pretending he was a hill, and then he's like, no. He falls back down. Whee! Let's do the hill ramp.
Yeah.
Hill ramp. No, this isn't it. This is it.
But
Oh, he did the wheelie the whole time, like that, and then he went back down. He stayed on his wheels, and he went like that. Whee! He went totally flat. All right, this guy is definitely a winner. We got no losers here. Next, hot dog. He's got a little bit of marshmallows on it, stuck on it. So I bet he's gonna lose. All right, let's do the sky ramp boost. I bet this guy's gonna win. Oh, he did. Oh, wheelie! Our first wheelie. That is so cool. Our first wheelie. I did it because of that hot dog.
Baby.
That's why it's called hot dog. He has a hot dog. What?
Baby. Hot dog was like.
Yeah, that's cool. Ooh, no. This guy loves wheelies like Blue Thunder. He's like, woo. He did the flip. He's going down, and then he caught himself on the wheelie. This is a carpet. So, or a rug. It can be either one. Now let's do this one. That's a blackbird. Ooh, that was like a U-turn. It was like, he's like, I don't want to go there. Go back. All right, now the hill ramp. Yeah, that's going to be same as Blue Thunder.
Willie.
Oh, he was like, yay, I'm going to go on here. And then he just,
I tried this.
and then he falls back down.
Willie, my guy was like on a flip ramp.
Oh, that was cool.
And then it
All right.
rolled it. Well,
He,
a winner.
loser. All right, Batman.
Willie. Where's this guy
Batman.
on this guy?
Batman's Monster Jam.
Willie.
BKT.
Willie.
I have no idea.
Willie, my guy was like.
Ooh.
All
right, let's give it.
Landed.
Give us a win.
Mom, my truck was like,
All right, let's give it a win.
then landed.
So awesome.
Let's do this. Oh, it was like, it's like, I want to do a balance on one foot. And he actually rolled on one foot, and then he kind of went like, wee. And then he fell over. right when he got off that ledge, that probably stopped him, and then it kind of yanked him too, so he fell over. Oh, we didn't even finish. What is that?
Oh!
Whee! Oh, that's a skydive. He's like, whee! And then he turns over. Ouchie. Then he falls over.
Wait, my legs. Wait.
It's like all of these are skydives.
Hey, Willie.
Oh, flip! That's a flip.
Wait.
What?
My goes like.
That man's doing the best.
Wait, my goes like.
All right. He did like so many flips in the air. He like kind of stopped and he wanted to show his tricks.
I'm trying to do on this.
And then he went this way,
I'm
right
trying-
down,
Willie.
and then he did a wheelie. Then he fell back on.
Willie.
It's really cool how they're small.
Willie. Willie.
What?
I'm gonna do it for next.
No, that's gonna be the last. Ooh! Every time he like flies in the air because he has wings. He's like, whoop, 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 whoop. And then he does them down, and then
Yeah,
he
and
does.
then,
He'll always land it.
yeah,
So he's
that's
a winner.
Yeah, that's because he has booster.
Yeah, that too. All right, Grave Digger.
Wait, my monster truck was like.
James, don't always tell me what your truck is doing because I'm doing a video right now. Wait, look, Grave Digger, twins.
Oh, really?
All right.
Oh,
He's like, we barrel roll. It's on that tire. Balance is on his back.
mine was like.
I just want to do the flip
Oh,
ramp.
I did a clip.
I just want to do the sky ramp like so many times.
Wait,
Sorry.
mine did a clip.
Clip? Oh. Oh, he like did a million flips. He's like, wee. Ow.
Wait, mine was
Then
like, ow,
He
ow.
lands on here.
That mine was.
He lands on here.
Mine.
Goes around.
Mine was
Goes
like.
by U-turn. And I think he went down. Winner. All right. Let's do these fools. All right. First, Superman. The big guys are gonna go in here. So, let's see. Oh, that hill kind of weed. Let's do Superman again. We get to do 2 tries. Oh, he did flips and stuff. All right, your turn. You did flips too. All right, I'm doing zombie. He's gonna go on a roller coaster. Whee!
Wait, I'm gonna do.
Whee!
I'm gonna do this
Where's
guy. I'm gonna do this guy.
All right. Oh, he went on the ramp. That's so cool. All right, our winner is Superman because he went the farthest. Plus, he was like slightly up on the hill. If he went like this, I would
Ready, set,
definitely.
go.
By the way, Grave Digger got 20 points, I think. I don't know. Well,
Let's go.
thanks for watching, kids. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.
Wait.